I am Dr. Rehan. I am a colorectal surgeon working at Maven Medical Center. This is a daycare facility for the laser treatment in the field of proctology. And we deal with all the benign ailments or lesions of the anorectal region. And we have discussed about the joints in one of the videos. Now in this we are going to discuss about the fissure in ano, which is equally common problem we face day in and day out. We see the fissure in ano patients in both the genders and in all the age groups. Even in the children pediatric age group we see fissures which are very common. Let me explain you what exactly is the fissure. Fissure is nothing but it's a linear ulcer, it's a cut at the anal verge, at the anodum. Because of this cut, the sphincters which are surrounding this anus, internal sphincters and external sphincters. So mostly the internal sphincters, they go for a contraction, a spasm, and it's a very painful spasm. Because of this spasm, the patient is unable to pass stools freely, and eventually it leads to more constipation, and they will have severe pain. This type of patient, they present with the severe and acute pain, and if they don't get treated, it becomes very chronic. And sometimes the skin pushes outside and they will have a small skin tag also. That's a sign of chronicity. If they leave it, if they don't get it treated on time, it can even get infected and can lead to introspective abscess. So the commonest cause of this anal fissures we see is mostly constipation. These patients are constipated because of some reasons or some underlying diseases, or because of the prolonged sitting. We have been seeing this patient, especially in the younger age group who have been working in the IT field. They sit for a long time at a stretch for 8 to 10 hours, and that can lead to fissures. Multiple fissures can also be a cause of some other underlying diseases, like Crohn's disease. So once we see these patients, there is no special investigation required for it. It's just a clinical examination we do with the endoscopy. Once the fissure has been confirmed, we start with treatment. And the treatment for this fissures is internal sphincterotomy. That is, we take an incision over the internal sphincters. By making an incision, the sphincters get relaxed and the spasm breaks away, and the fissure which is there, it gets time to heal faster. So this can be done with a conventional method also, and we have got a facility of laser. We can do it with a laser, where just a small prick inside, we cut the internal sphincters and the patient is relieved. It will take some time for the wound to heal, but there is no complication because we don't use any suture materials. We don't use any blade there, and the patients will go back to their work without taking an extra leave. They need not need to stay at home for a long time as seen in the conventional methods. So we suggest to our viewers, if they are suffering from this type of problem, and if they know anybody among their relatives or friends who are suffering from this, they can immediately contact us and let us give us the opportunity to give our services at its best. Thank you so much.